Hello students, I am Gayatri Miss and today I am going to teach you Moral Science of class UKG and the topic name is Rules of School. Students, to run any organization, rules are very important. In the same way, your school also there are some rules and we should follow these all the rules. So today I would like to teach you these all the rules one by one. So the first is OBEY, obey, YOUR, your, TEACHERS, teachers. Obey your teachers. You can see in this picture. Students, you should follow this all the rules. So if you will follow this all the rules, then you will be a good student. You will be a obedient child. You can see in this picture. The students are listening very carefully to the teacher. Whatever the teacher is teaching, whatever the teacher is telling, they are listening and they are just giving the response nicely. So they all are obeying the teachers. So in the same way, you should also obey your teachers in your school. Then you will be a good student. Now, the next is ALWAYS, always, WALK, walk, INQUEUEQ, always walk in queue. So students, as you can see in this picture, in this school, campus or anywhere, whenever you are going to suppose to board in the bus, to get down from the bus, to go in the classroom, to go in the ground, to play. So always you should go in the queue. In the break also, you are going to wash your hand. So you should not push to each other. You should always walk in queue. This is very important. You will be also safe and your friends also, they will be safe if they will go in the queue. So in the school campus, you should always walk in queue. You can see the teacher, the back side, all students. They all are going in queue. Now the next is RAISE, raise, HAND, hand, TO2, TALK, talk. Raise hand to talk. You can see in this picture. Yes. Students, in the classroom, whenever your teacher is teaching and you are just busy in the study, so you need to talk sometimes with your teacher, sometimes with your friend. So what you will do? You will not directly just disturb to your teacher. No. First, you will raise your hand. This is the correct way to talk with the teacher. You will just raise your hand and then you will say, Miss, may I talk with my friend? May I take the sharpener? May I take the eraser? Anything? First you will raise your hand and then whatever you want to say, you can say with your teacher, you can say with your friends. So like this, you will not disturb your class and you can study smoothly and your teacher can teach you also very nicely. So this is also very important rule of a school. Now, so in this picture you can see the teacher is teaching and this boy is raising up hand and this girl is also, she is raising up hand because both they want to say something. So before to speak what they are doing, they are just raising hand. So you should follow these all the rules. Now the next is GO, go, TO2, SCHOOL, school, ON, on, TIME, time. Go to school on time. So students, you should go to school on time because to go on time, that is very important. If you will be the late, you can miss Many important things, just like you can miss your assembly, you can miss your school prayer, whatever your teacher is teaching you, nice things in the assembly that you can miss. So students, if you will be the late, then that habit it will be created in your life. So you will be always on time. You should go to school on time. So if you will go to school on time, then you will attend all the things. So this is very important rule. Now the next is USE, use, KIND, kind, WORDS, words, FOR, for, OTHERS, others. Use kind words for others. See in this picture that students in the school campus or anywhere, you should use kind words. This is very important because if you are talking nicely and you are using kind words, so before that person they feel nice and they are just telling that how nicely that boy and the girl is talking. So which type of the kind words we should use? We should use please, thank you, can I help, no thank you, you're welcome, I'm sorry, it's okay, I forgive you, please stop, you can do it, don't give up. These all are kind words. And you should use these all the kind words in the school, with your friends, with your teachers, with your school staffs, to everyone. Then you will be a good student. So this is also very important rule. Now, next is respect, 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 YOUR, your, SCHOOL, school, PROPERTY, property. Respect your school property. Students, this is very important that wherever you are, you should respect that thing. Just suppose you are in the school campus, so you should respect your school property. For example, in the playground you are going to play. The swings are there, the ladder is there, many toys are there. In the computer lab if you are going, the computer lab is, computers are there, keyboard, mouse, yes. In the science lab you will go, you can see many things are there. So students, you should take care to the school property. You should use nicely with care, and then you should just keep very nicely that thing the same place. In this picture you can see this boy. This boy is using computer, yes, with care. So in the same way, you should also use your school things, school property with care. Now, the next is ALWAYS, always, TREAT, treat, YOUR, your, CLASSMATES, classmates, WITH, with, RESPECT, respect. Always treat your classmates with respect. Students, with your friends, you should speak nicely. You should listen carefully that whatever your teacher is, your friends are telling. If they are speaking something, you should give the preference to speak. First you listen carefully and after that you just give the response. You should behave nicely. You should respect them. So this is also a rule of school. Always treat your classmates with respect. Now the next is HELP, help, TO2, KEEP, keep, YOUR, your, SCHOOL, school, NEAT, neat, A-N-D and T-I-D-Y, tidy. Help to keep your school neat and tidy. Students, you should keep your school neat and clean. Your classroom, playground, if you are in the school campus, anywhere, you should keep that place neat and clean. Suppose you are eating anything, so where you will throw the wrapper? You will throw in the dustbin. You will not throw anywhere. If you are sharpening a pencil, that all the waste is where you will throw in the dustbin. So like this, if you can keep your classroom, you can keep your school neat and clean. In this picture you can see this boy. He is throwing this waste material in the dustbin. So in the same way you should also follow it, and you should throw the wastage in the dustbin. Now the next is FOLLOW, follow. DIRECTIONS, directions. QUICKLY, quickly. Students, you should follow directions quickly. Whatever your teachers are telling in the classroom, in the school campus, you should follow it. Then you should be a good student. And all the rules are very important. So students, you should study at home. These are all the rules of school. Thank you.